man talk say a stitch in time saves 9. That na say anything where you sabi quick and you do something about them, it go prevent the consequences. Welcome to Health Corner on top your Good Morning Naija show. And since the beginning of this week, we don't yarn you about abdominal pain, wetin e be, wetin if you do, boboe. Today, we want to tell you some of the home remedies and the prevention. My name, as always, now Dr. Adora. You fit get abdominal pain without fever, without vomiting, or bleeding from the vagina for woman, or even fainting, or chest pain, or any other serious symptoms. And these ones fit get better. They fit become better without special treatment. But if the pain tanda for them, or if the person believes say the pain fits, they represent one very serious problem, I beg, you know, say the home remedy, number one home remedy, not to run go find your doctor. But for your house, you fit get heating pad, or you fit soak. When I say heating pad, you get some kind of hot water bottles where you fit put hot water inside, come put them for your belly where they pain you, and that one go fit suit the pain a bit. Or you fit soak yourself inside a bathtub of warm water. This one fit help ease your pain. You get some over-the-counter medication where I not fit begin, they call all their plenty names give you now. Then some people also talk, say, if you get activated charcoal capsules, this one fit help. Plus our normal paracetamol, them, aspirin, all these ones fits help you do different ways to just manage the pain. But you make sure, say, you avoid any of these products if you suspect, or doctor don't tell you before, say you get liver disease. Also, try to avoid aspirin or ibuprofen. These are common brand names. If your stomach, now, as in, if they don't tell you before, say you get ulcer disease, or you suspect, say if it be like, say I get ulcer because of the symptoms that they experience. These ones were I mentioned, so I beg, try and not take them, because these drugs, they feel make the stomach ache, the stomach pain become worse. In adults, the treatments will depend on waiting the doctor thinks are the cause of the pain. So for prevention, once they don't determine waiting they cause them, that's not the diagnosis, then it's very, very important, say you follow the instructions where your doctor give you. For example, if now ulcer they cause the pain, make you try avoid nicotine. If you like to smoke well, no say your cigar get nicotine for inside, or caffeine, if you like to drink coffee, or alcohol. Then if they don't tell you, say, okay, now gallbladder disease you they experience, it's very important, say make you avoid anything we get fat for inside, anything we get grease, fried food, and beg run from them, because all these ones that they make gallbladder disease get worse. These are just the short examples where I will give you on top of this matter. The main thing I want to tell you now be say any instruction where your doctor give you, if you know say you want to for this life, you want live long, and you don't want to experience pain. I don't understand why person could just decide to experience pain when if you do something about them. So please, please, and please, try and follow any instruction where your doctor give you. If you say leave this one, leave them. No say no, something must definitely kill person, so I must help myself at all at all. Do what is right for you. Make you take for this world, because not be only you go benefit, it go benefit people around you, your family and friends. So with these few points of mine, I go stop here. You know, the ways make I talk, say, hope I have not convinced you, I've convinced you, confused you. Here, this is wishing you a happy weekend. Enjoy yourself. And next week, I go send you better informate to make sure say your body day very, very kajad. Now me, your one and only Dr. Adora. See you next week.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.